I let someone take me out of my place of peace. And it's what I want to say. Relationships are really not hard. I think what the complication comes in is when you lie, when you stretch the truth, when you don't have accountability, when you deflect, when you make excuses. That's what causes relationships to have complication. Love is easy. And when you truly care about somebody, when you truly have a desire for somebody, when you truly want to get to know someone, you have to be honest about what do you want? What do you really truly want? Because what happens if you don't really know what you truly want? All you're doing is wasting somebody else's time. We have so much that we're trying to do within our lives, so much changes that we're trying to do, so many things that we're trying to build and explore. And if you are still in your journey of building and growing, just be honest. Stop wasting people's time. Stop holding people up. Stop using people for your gain. All you're doing is you're harming the love that somebody has for you. You're harming their thought of what they believe you are. Because you're not being real you. You're being someone else. You're choosing to be harmful. You're choosing to be confusing. You're choosing to make excuses. And when you make excuses for a person that you claim to love, all you're doing is taking up time. Figure out what the fuck you want. Figure out what you're going to do and go do that and stop wasting somebody's time. If you're not ready to be in a relationship, if you're not ready to be loved, if you don't have the time, then be single and stop wasting people's time. You was Love Doctor. Go to the link in my description and find out the personality of people that waste your time.